So what do you get when you put cheese, sourdough bread, bacon, spinach, tomato? Oh, you get a grown-up sandwich. This is a grilled cheese BLT, grown-up styles. Meet me in the kitchen. And we're back. Now, to put this delicious sandwich together, you're going to need some pre-cooked bacon, some spinach, a tomato, a purple onion, minced garlic. Now, the minced garlic from the jar, it works very good. Fresh garlic, you can do that if you like. But why go through all the trouble when you can use the minced garlic? And we also going to need some white cheddar cheese. Come on, let's put this together. We're going to start by grating our cheese. And we're going to grate about 1/4 of a cup. Because we're only making one sandwich today. And that's just about enough. Okay, that's good. We're going to put that to the side. And we're going to continue on with our ingredient by slicing up some tomato. As many slices as you like. Now, I'm a little bit weird. I like to cut the seeded part of my tomato out. And that's just a personal preference of mine. We're going to continue layering our flavors by slicing up our purple onion. Now, why purple onion? Because I think it's beautiful and it makes a beautiful presentation. That's why. Okay, guys. Make sure you get a good bread for this sandwich. I'm using sourdough today. And any dense bread would be great for this sandwich. Because remember, we're making a hearty sandwich. Okay, today we're using an electric griddle. You don't have to use a griddle, but we're going to add enough olive oil to that griddle just to wilt our onions down a little bit. And once our onions have wilted down, we're going to put a 1/2 teaspoon of your minced garlic just until you smell the fragrance come through, and then we're going to take it up. Okay, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Everything is ready. It's time to build our sandwich. And we're going to start by adding cheese to the bottom half of our bread. Just going to make sure you get it all nice and layered. Take your spinach, add it right on top of that cheese. We almost building a pizza, huh? Alright, let's get our spinach on there. We're going to go right ahead with our onion and garlic mixture. Remember? Right on top of your spinach. We're building flavors. Smelling good already. You remember our special tomato? You know, Mercy style. Alright, we're going to get that right on top of our spinach. And yes, sir, we're going to add some bacon. Everything tastes good with just a little bit of bacon. Put as much as you like on there. This is your sandwich. This is only a guide. A recipe is only a guide. Alright, we're gonna finish it off with the remainder of our cheese. And before we add that crown, we're going to hit it with a little cracked black pepper. That's just to seal the deal, guys. Alright. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter on your griddle, or enough to coat the top and the bottom of your bread before we toast it. We have our griddle set at 275, and we're getting ready to toast our sandwich. We're going to put a piece of parchment paper on top, and we're going to use a sandwich press to put right on top of that and let it cook 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, let me give you a close-up of what our sandwich is doing. When you look at that cheese, look at that. How beautiful is that? I think it's time to flip. It's time to flip our sandwich. We're going to go ahead and give it a flip. And we're going to let it cook another 3 to 5 minutes. and then we'll be ready to plate. So, if you've been rocking with me since the beginning, go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up and share. Everybody, our sandwich is ready. And will you look at this beautiful sandwich? Let's cut into it. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. The crunch is everything, y'all. Everything. When I tell you this is truly an adult sandwich. This is an adult sandwich. Take a look at that. Oh my goodness. All the layers of flavors in there. Let's play. When I tell you this sandwich is a whole party in your mouth, it's a whole party in your mouth. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, because we're cooking for real over here. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.